Today, I'm gonna discuss on our review regarding our bookkeeping one-on-one. So this time we will touch base on the liability and on the capital side. Now, we know that liability has a credit normal balance. So when are we going to recognize liability? Let's say we have an example here of transactions. When the vendor extends supplies and inventory on account to us, okay? So that is our payables or accounts payable to them, especially when it is related to normal operation of the business. When we receive cash from bank, so that is debit cash and bank, and then credit loans payable. Okay, and interest also. So um, interest payable is also recognized here. Okay, so pertains to our loans as well as the credit card. So with debit expenses, then we credit a particular credit card account. Then purchasing assets on account, just like we acquire equipment, furnitures and fixtures on account. Okay, taxes, yes. We have also liability on that. Then operating expenses, just like the payroll or other utilities. Now, if we are not going to pay it yet, then we recognize a liability. Okay, liability is decreased when we do payments, okay, or when goods are returned. Now, on the capital side, we know that the capital side, I mean the capital account is a credit balance. So that is a normal balance for the capital. Now, the capital account is debited when owners withdraw. Okay, when they withdraw cash from their business, and this increases when they invest an additional amount for the business to run. Now, on the income side, you notice that in our balance sheet, net income or net loss is presented separately inside the capital or the equity account, right? You see their net income or net loss. Okay, so and when you see a retained earnings, that means that those income or loss from previous years, they are placed inside the retained earnings. So I hope this is a review and a recap of our for the T accounts. So this will serve as your guide in learning the basics of our bookkeeping inside our group. Okay, more of this, more on this on the later part of our discussion. Okay, thank you.